Hello, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And we are working on our 12 days of Stitchmas. And I believe, yes, we're on day 6 of the 12 days. Halfway through already. Okay. Remember yesterday we got that lovely wooden snowman needle minder. So cute. I really, really like those. I like the needle minders a lot. Okay. We're going to have some tea. Let's see what we have here for our tea. Oh, another yellow one. Chamomile mint citrus. A blend of green tea, mint, chamomile, and orange peel. Okay, the orange peel may save the day on this one. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. I can smell a little bit of everything. Nothing really stands out. So it's not so super minty. My little tag is stuck to the bag. There we go. There we go. Okay. Get this in our water. And I wanted to show you my cup today. So every day I make my tea, and I have all different cups at my house. I like, as you can tell, I like a mishmash of stuff. I'm not one of those where everything matches. No matchy here. So this cup was given to me by a friend for Christmas some years ago. And as you can tell, I like the polar bears. I'm all about the polar bears. And she gave me this cup, this mug. And it's hard to tell. And it's hot. The mug is an upside down polar bear. So when you're using it and you set it down on the table, he sits on his little ears and his little nose is his city. But when you're done, when you've drank out of it and you've washed it, you turn it upside down and sit it on the counter or the, in my case, a shelf. Then you can see his little polar bear sitting there. And I just think it's the cleverest thing. So you get to enjoy the cuteness of him even when he's just sitting on the shelf. I don't use it a lot because it's small. And I usually like great big mugs. But he sits there on the shelf all the time and I enjoy looking at him. Okay, chamomile mint citrus. How's this smelling? Doesn't smell like anything right now. But I have learned with these herbal teas and green teas, they really need to seep for a while before you can really, before the flavors really come out. All right, 12 days of Stitchmas. We are looking for day 6. Oh, right on top, day 6. See, it was sitting just like that, day 6. All right, we got a pretty red one. Ooh, feels like more papers. I think we have another part of the pattern. Another piece of the pattern. Which would make sense. If the patterns, if we're getting 2 at a time on the patterns, 6 of these have to be patterned. Okay. And I should have looked up my thing so that I could say what they were. All right, here's our picture. Whoops, dropped my stuff on the floor. There's my picture. So we've got 3 French hens and 6 geese a-laying. Ah, I remembered. 6 geese a-laying. Okay, so what section is this? Is going to be section 3 from our grid. And I keep putting that away and I keep thinking I need to leave it out. So, well, I guess I can get to it pretty quickly. Because that's day 2. Yeah, here's the grid right here. Here's the grid right here. So section 3. Section 3 is right here. So we did this one, and we did that one, and now we've got this one. Okay. I'll put that down when we're done. Those are pretty colors. I like the pretties on that, the colors on that chicken. And the geese looks really realistic. All right. And then, of course, we have, they always send, and I like that. They send you the chart that you're going to use to make it. Looks like that. Very typical chart. Once in a while, I'd say about 50-50. When you get these charts, they're in color. Boy, does that make it easy to use. And then we have, whoops, this is showing the outlines that we're going to do with our back stitching. And I like that they show that separately too. And then of course, oh, I just noticed it's red, white, and blue up here. That's cute. It's not just red. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. And that's the whole thing for today. 2 more pictures. 2 more pictures. Day 6. So I can get it back in here. That's always the biggest problem for me. Okay, put that up here. And I gotta fix that because I took that one down. Okay, let's try our tea. Still doesn't smell like much. And it's still really, really hot. Nah. I don't know if it's the chamomile I don't care for. I think it is. I think I don't like chamomile. I'm definitely not a mint tea person because I like citrus. So, I don't taste the orange peel. I was hoping the orange peel would save this one. Oh well, can't win them all. And it's just tea. It is just tea. So, here's to you. Go have a cup of tea and find a cool project to work on. And we'll see you tomorrow. Please like, please subscribe, and please send this to somebody who you think might enjoy it. Thank you so very much. Bye-bye.